So let's go ahead and run this kubectl command, a little demo on kubectl. So I have already installed kubectl. So let's say without providing any command type name or options, if you just run kubectl, it gives you plethora of all this information, which means this is our help. So let's say I want to get help on any command. So let's say I want to get help on anything. Let's say version. You simply say help. Exactly, this is what I'm doing. kubectl command help. Now this will give me a help related to kubectl version. Okay, it says that with this command you have these options. Okay, let's say what is this option? Let's say if I run just simply version, we have seen one is the warning that this version information, just typing this, is deprecated and will be replaced. So you need to use output along with this one so that it will work fine. Okay, we will take care of this warning. Other thing is it's shown client version of this utility as well as server version of this utility. So what this was saying is that client is equal to false. If you want to have a true, you will only see the client version of this utility. You will not see a server version. So it means that you can have a kubectl install without even having a Kubernetes cluster install. Okay, so it happens to be that we have a Kubernetes cluster installed on this server. That is why we are saying server version. But if you will just type what it's saying, that just type right there, client is equal to default is false, but let's say I say true, it will only show the client version. Okay, in order to take care of this warning, let's go ahead and provide the option that will be output is equal to, let's do YAML right there. Now it says that in order to see the client version of this utility, you provide this kubectl command and the options, and this is how we are using. So right there it says major.minor 1.25. so it means that running on a Mac OS, we are running a kubectl command line tool of version 1.25. How about the server version? Let me go ahead and make it false. And now we have a server version, and our Kubernetes server is 1.25 as well. Okay, so this is how you use kubectl command line tools. Now is once we know how to use kubectl, we will interact with a different piece of a different parts of a Kubernetes cluster. We can create any resource type, we can interact with this, and we can do all kind of operations against a Kubernetes cluster. So that was the little demo on kubectl utility.